Hello friends, welcome to the new video by Darshanam. In today's video, we are discussing about the PPE kit or Personal Protective Equipment Kit. While addressing the nation on 12th May, Prime Minister Narendra Modi highlighted the increase in the production of PPE kit. Then what is PPE kit? PPE, known as personal protective equipment, is a protective clothing such as mask, gloves, gown used to guard a person from contagious diseases. The PPE acts as a barrier between the person and the biological agent, reducing the risk of getting infected. As COVID-19 grasped the world, the PPE kit production has increased widely in India and around the world. The PPE has become the need of the hour to combat the deadly pandemic. Moreover, it has also given an opportunity for India to rise from the economic crisis. Today, we produce at least 2 lakh kits on a daily basis. Then, why are PPE kits important? As we all know, the coronavirus mainly spread through respiratory droplets that get created when people cough, sneeze or exhale. It also gets transmitted by touching, by direct touch and through contaminated surfaces or objects, and then touching their own mouth, nose or possibly eyes. The people who are in close contact with a suspect or confirmed COVID-19 patient or who cares for such patients are at the highest risk of getting infected. Hence, the personal protection kit is important, especially for healthcare workers, to guard them against the virus. It breaks the chain of virus, preventing it from spreading further. Then let's see the components of personal protective equipment. The components of PPE include goggles, face shield, gloves, mask, coverall, shoe cover and head cover. The first one, face shield and goggles. Eyes, nose and mouth are the most susceptible organs, since the droplets generated by cough or sneeze of a person reach the other person through it. The protection of the eyes, nose, mouth by using face shields or goggles is an essential part of standard and contact precautions. The second component is mask. The coronavirus mainly targets the upper and lower respiratory tracts of a person. Hence, protecting the airway from the virus generated by droplets prevents human infection. Masks are crucial for everyone to protect oneself and the other person as well. Masks can be different types depending upon your profession and work. Triple layer medical masks are disposable masks that prevent the wearer from getting infected. Then there are N95 masks that must be worn by the people in essential service and at higher risk of getting the infection. The third one, the gloves. When a person comes in contact with an object or surface contaminated by COVID-19 infected person, he or she is likely to touch their own eyes, nose, mouth from the same hand. Hence, to avoid the infection, gloves must be worn by person at a higher risk. Nitrile gloves are favored over latex gloves because they resist chemicals including certain disinfectants such as chlorine. The fourth component, coverall. Gowns are used mainly to protect the healthcare workers who are at the continuous risk of getting infected. By using proper protective clothing, it is important to eliminate or reduce contact and droplet exposure, thus protecting healthcare workers working in close proximity, that is within 1 meter of suspect or confirmed COVID-19 cases or their secretions. The fifth component is shoe cover and head covers. Shoe covers and head covers are worn by the healthcare professional to limit the risk of virus. They act as an additional protective gear to combat COVID-19. In the high-risk zones, including the hospitals, it is mandatory to protect yourself from the risk of all possible means. As mentioned by Prime Minister Modi, before the COVID-19, the production of PPE kits and masks were limited. Today, India turned the crisis at the time of need into an opportunity by scaling the production. India produces 2 lakh PPE kits and masks daily, increasing the industrial production of these items. Moreover, India is also helping other countries with medical equipment and basic things. We are on the path of becoming a self-reliant nation even in the time of crisis. If you like the video, please press the like button and share it to your friends, and do not forget to press the subscribe. Thank you all. Bye-bye.